back, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we got something very special for you. Obviously I got Times Square right here in the background. We got these two beautiful bikes. We got my 2020 Lowrider S, but most important, we got this 2019 Harley Davidson Street Glide CVO. This thing is decked out. It is beautiful, and the amount of money that this guy has already dropped into this is insane to me. So we're gonna be going over a few little things here, guys. A few little specs. First of all, this bike is one of Harley Davidson's most expensive bikes, around $40,000 or so. And that's because it comes equipped with a 117 engine. The 2018 and 19 came with a 117, which is equivalent to about 1900 cc's. Insane. We got 6 speakers as well. We got 2 speakers up here with 2 tweeters, 2 speakers right here in the front with tweeters, and then 2 more speakers right here in the bags. You got your stretched out bags here with your Harley Davidson logo on the side, which look amazing. They look beautiful. And then going on to the back, one of my favorite things on this bike is the fact that they come with these extra lights here in the back, which look amazing. These lights come with it as well too? That's not? No, you put that. You added on? Okay. This bike is insanely heavy. There's some bikes over there. Hey! That's what New York City's about, baby. That right there is what New York City's about. All supermoto, all quads. I was telling everybody, I was telling you guys the other day, in the hood, that's what people ride, is quads and supermotos. Well, yeah, for you guys that didn't believe me, there you go. We're gonna continue with this. Down here we got a special paint scheme up in the rocker heads. Obviously it's come in red. And then on the derby cover you have your 117 on there as well. I know the 2019 came out in 3 colors. Came out with this one. And this specific colorway came out with, you were able to get a, well, it only comes that way, with all the chrome accents. I know the burgundy color one, it came out with 2 burgundy color bikes, and those had more black accents on them. This, to me, preferably, I think I would have chosen this one over the burgundy one, because even though I'm not a crazy fan over chrome only looks really good on certain things, and that's on this bike and on your, obviously, Cholo style bike. But this bike, it's very well put together. It looks amazing. You got your CVO emblem right here as well on the side of the tank. Pretty amazing. And then on top, we have this beautiful dash, guys. The sound system sounds amazing. Everything here looks great. Navigation. You got navigation on there, you got your radio. Amazing. One of my favorite things on this that I just recently found out is that on the key fobs, it's like a car key. So you unlock it or lock it, and it automatically locks the side bags, which is dope. We're gonna do it right now. So this is the key fob. It looks really cool. All right, so we locked it, and obviously there I can open it, and it literally clicks open like a car door, right? That's dope. That is super cool. Like that's something that that's something pretty cool. All right, guys. So Camilo's gonna be telling us everything that he's done to his bikes. You want to start wherever you want to start. We'll start.
Well, like I said, this is 19 CVO. We did a new mirrors there. We did a new.
What those teardrop ear mirrors, right? That's what they call them. Teardrops?
Yeah, it's like by Arlen ness. Arlen ness makes them.
Those are pretty nice.
Very nice. Then we got the fairing with the windshield, chrome. Also changed this part right here into chrome with the spikes going on. We got the Ciro bezel.
You added that?
Yeah, added that. And new headlight as well with the halo ring.
You changed the headlight as well?
Yep.
I thought it came with that one.
No, I changed that.
Nice, okay.
We got the Harley Davidson for the wind. These things are amazing. Really, it helps out a lot. Signal lights as well, so you can see that on the side. And cool. We got the new tracer LEDs.
You just added those, right?
Yep.
Those are so dope. He pulled up earlier. Look how bright that is.
It's like a plasma more than an LED.
It is.
It's like a plasma.
You got to see it in person, guys, because it literally lights everything up. He pulled up, and I'm like, wow.
What else? We put the new floorboards. for the wife, for myself.
Nice.
New brake right there.
And you got a stage 1 in this?
Stage 1.
What pipes do you have? Vance and Hines?
Vans on CFRs. These are the new CFRs. And then we got the Vans and Hines headers.
Okay.
Kind of crazy. We have total in 24 LEDs on here.
Wow.
So 2 sets of 12. I did the whole engine work there, changed its colors and everything.
That is so dope.
These don't come in stock. These are rare. You're gonna see these. There's actually new.
You added those?
By Custom Dynamics. They don't come with that.
Oh.
They're made by Custom Dynamics.
The bars right here too, right?
Oh, these are my latest edition too. I got by Factory 47. Pretty cool.
Are those the same brands that you got for the setup up ahead too, or no?
No, those are called RST custom bars.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
I got the bars first, and then I got that. That's fine.
And then obviously the big couch seat you have here, which feels amazing, guys. It feels amazing.
This is called.
I sat on it the other day, and it felt like I was literally floating on the couch. Like the stock seat that this bike comes with already is really nice and it's soft, and I love the stitching on it. But comfort-wise, this is like a couch.
Harley Davidson Havoc.
You want to tell them about the long trip you took back in March?
I took a long trip from New Jersey to Florida to Orlando. And,
in March, right?
That trip was pretty good, but the only problem with that was the seat. The seat was a big problem that comes with the CVO. It was very thin, and my wife was kind of annoyed about her butt hurting and my butt hurting, and then I had to buy a seat in Florida at the Harley Davidson dealership.
Look at that.
It's called the
Look at that. That's like a couch, man.
It's like a couch, literally.
It's like a Tempur-Pedic bed.
Yeah. You can get the backrest too as here as well.
That's so dope. So
gas tank. We got the Crown gas tank. That's a little. Every little thing I put on here is mostly it's
your
the
touch,
way,
your
my
liking.
touch, the way I like it.
Very nice.
Everybody has their own touch of style, and that's how we do it.
Well, you've done it very tastefully. The bike.
Oh, and these by far these are 12 inch.
12 inches?
People know.
Okay.
12 inches pretty comfortable.
You've very tastefully. I love everything you're doing with it here. It looks amazing. This has to be one of the most coolest CVOs I've ever seen. I love the lights.
And I put about a $50,000 bike, and then I put about another $6,000 into it.
Hey, that's a whole lot of cash. Cash. We're gonna turn it on for you guys right now.
Yeah.
Let you guys hear what it sounds like, because this bike sounds insane. That sounds crazy. That sounds insane. That sounds nuts. Guys, if any of you guys want to sink about 40 to 50 grand into a bike, this is the bike that I recommend to do it on. It sounds amazing, feels amazing, it looks amazing. All right, guys, so we're gonna be taking her out now. We're gonna see how she feels. Oh, I haven't been on a CVO since October when I did a Harley ride. I did the 2020 CVO, and yeah, I know. I did the 2020 CVO. I wasn't able to get it on film. I had some technical difficulties, but it's fine because we're doing this one now. This one is amazing. Ugh, this bike is heavy. Remind you, I'm 5'7", guys, and I'm tippy-toeing on this. Oh, what suspension you got out here now?
The Legend.
So he actually he put on the Legends suspensions here last week. He installed them, and let me tell you, like, he tells me it feels amazing. I mean, the suspension on this bike from the get felt really good, but after him installing that, he's telling me that it just feels like 10 times better. It's like night and day. But yeah, I'm like tippy-toeing on this bike right now, man. I'm 5'7", guys, and this is a heavy bike. Yeah, it feels like a couch, bro. All right. This feels good. Wow. Man, that 117, man. Man, I remember when I took this bike out for that ride, and it felt like a monster. Like, this 117 engine is insane. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. These pipes sound amazing, as you can hear. They sound crazy. Bro, she sounds really good. She feels amazing. How do you like that one?
I feel like it's little.
Right? I mean, compared to this.
This bike, right?
Huh?
I didn't been through this bike.
Nah. Nah. Alright, we'll take the bike down the road here. Man, I'm telling you, this seat, I'm gonna ask him again what the name of the company that makes this seat, if you guys want to know, because it feels like, I feel like I'm on cloud 9 right now. I feel like I'm floating. That's how this seat feels, man. I like the grips on here as well. They feel really good. The amount of power that this bike has, Jesus Christ. You know what? I'm really upset that the Lowrider S did not come with the 117. I'm really, really upset about that, because
So come back down, just go straight to sea pockets, right? My bike all over sea pockets.
you know how to get back on it?
Yeah, go straight to sea pockets.
Yeah?
Get it out.
All right.
Highway with it.
All right, so he wants me to just keep riding his bike. I'm like, okay. Hey, what's the name of the brand of the seat?
Harley Davidson hammock. Harley Davidson hammock.
For those of you who are interested in it, I'm telling you, it feels like I'm on cloud 9. He's gonna let me ride this bike all the way back to the carcass. He's like, listen, just fill her out, take it. I'm like, all right, whatever. I'm not gonna complain about it. This whole time I'm wondering, like, I'm not getting that much wind on my face. And it's because this windscreen right here, man. It's really good. It's literally keeping everything off. I'm not getting no buffeting whatsoever. I hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful views here today in New York City. Empty streets. It's crazy, but we're lucky. We're very, very lucky to be doing this today. Like I was mentioning before in my last video, this is probably never gonna happen again in life again. And this bike is full of torque. Oh my God. What is it? 142 foot-pounds of torque, I think it is. If I'm wrong, correct me down here in the comments. But Jesus, sweet little baby Jesus. Oh, sweet little baby Jesus in a party t-shirt. It feels great. Listen, these streets are empty. Today's Tuesday. On a regular Tuesday here in Times Square, these streets would have been bubbling right now. Partying everywhere. People drinking, people out eating, people just walking around, full of tourists. And it's just scary, man. It's like I Am Legend 100%. Totally I Am Legend vibes here. Totally. Whoop, whoop. That's a sign of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's a sign of the beast. NYPD's finest here. Let them hear something. they all turn back right away. Look at this view. This view right now is priceless. Anyone around the world that's not too familiar with New York City or hasn't been here or just wants to come here, these videos are for you guys. these videos are especially intended for you. I hope you're enjoying the view tonight. I hope you're staying safe wherever you are in the world. Huh? Oh yeah. Open her up, bro. Open her up.
Yeah, it feels good. The pipe sounds good.
Huh?
The pipe sounds good.
You like it?
Never heard it, right?
Oh man, what a view. It feels so different to see someone else riding my bike. Wait, you want to go to Degman then?
Yeah, we'll try this one.
So we'll take the Henry Hudson up.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
And then loop around and we'll come straight back.
I bet.
How's it feel on the boat?
I don't feel anything.
Crazy, right?
It feels insane, man. All right, so I thought we were gonna go home, but he wants to keep riding. We're gonna go all the way uptown and then come back down, or maybe cross the bridge and take it from there. By the way, guys, I'm planning on doing a 5-borough ride pretty soon, within a few weeks. So if you're within the local area, you want to come around for that ride, let me know. And what I want to do is that in every borough that we stop, we'll stop by somewhere cool, you know? I mean, it sucks that right now we can't go anywhere to get food or get drinks anywhere, because that would have been awesome. That would have been like, all right, well, let's stop by at a brewery in every borough. That would have been pretty dope. But we can't do that right now. So think about stopping somewhere in every borough, taking a picture in front of, you know, something famous in that borough. So for example, like Queens, we might, you know, go take a picture in front of MetLife Stadium. In the Bronx, we could just go take a picture in front of Yankee Stadium. In Brooklyn, we could go by Dumbo and take a picture by the Brooklyn Bridge. In Manhattan, obviously, we go to Times Square. So stuff like that. So if you wanna see that video, give this video right now a big thumbs up. Drop the comments down below. Let me know if you would like to see that. And if you're in the local area, hit me up as well. Follow me on my Instagram, it's the same name as my YouTube, Kid87. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this ride. Sorry if this little review wasn't too in depth. It wasn't intended to be that way. It was just I wanted to show his bike. It's pretty cool, and I wanted to ride it. It's really awesome, and I want to share that with you guys. All right, so now that we're on the West Side Highway, I'm gonna have a chance to really open her up and see what she's really about. These damn cars need to get out the way. Get out the way. Let's open her up. Let's see how she does. Wow. The amount of torque this bike has, it's like endless power. Feels great. And you know what? It feels really, really smooth. Insanely smooth. Let it rip, baby. Wow, the suspension feels amazing. Highly recommended as well. The seat feels great. It feels like I'm in a cloud. And there goes my baby. There goes my baby riding away. My bike, not Camilo. Not Camilo. I literally have my visor up and I'm getting no wind in my face right now. I love this windscreen. It feels amazing. This is gonna be it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe right now. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Like always, guys, ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.